Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video I am going to show you how to remove link from Instagram bio. To remove link from Instagram bio, first open your Instagram application on your mobile phone. Make sure that you are logged into your Instagram account. Now here you'll be taken to the home page. Now tap on your profile icon at down right corner. Then here you can see your profile. Now tap on edit profile option at the left side. Then here you can see bio option. Now tap on links. Then here you can see the link that is added to your profile. Tap on the present link. Then tap on remove link option at down. With that, tap on remove again. With that, you'll be able to remove link from Instagram bio. As you can see here, my link has been removed from my Instagram bio. This is how we can remove link from Instagram bio. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you liked today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.